You ever spend an entire morning just trying to get 3 appointments on the calendar? If you run a service business, a salon, cleaning company, personal training studio, you know this feeling. All that scheduling chaos is time you're not getting paid for. So let's talk about whether AI scheduling tools are actually worth your time and how to pick one that fits your business. Before downloading apps, spend 5 minutes identifying where your scheduling breaks down. Are you still booking manually? Are clients reaching out through multiple channels? Are no-shows costing you money? Do you have staff availability to coordinate? Get clear on your top 2 or 3 pain points. It'll save you from paying for a tool that's too complicated or too basic. Here's something worth knowing. Not every tool calling itself an AI scheduling tool actually uses AI meaningfully. Some are just online booking calendars with a fancy label. Real AI features include automatically finding the best time slot with multiple constraints, or reading a text like, "I need something Tuesday afternoon," and booking it without you touching it. Other genuinely useful features include predicting no-shows or a smart waitlist that fills cancellations automatically. When evaluating tools, ask directly, what does the AI actually do? If the answer is, it sends reminder emails, that's automation, not AI. There's nothing wrong with automation, just know what you're buying. Before thinking about AI features, get your basic booking setup right. That means accurate service durations, real availability including buffer time, a clear cancellation policy, and a confirmation message telling clients what to expect. Most owners budget 20 minutes for this. It's actually 2 to 3 hours done properly. A plumber who doesn't account for drive time between jobs gets double booked within a week. Get the foundation solid, then let AI features work on top. Turn on automated reminders immediately. This is probably the single highest return thing you can do. Data consistently shows automated reminders cut no-shows by 20 to 40% for small service businesses. Set up at least 2, one the day before, one a few hours before. Make messages sound human. "Hey Sarah, just a reminder your haircut is tomorrow at 2 p.m. with Jamie. Text us if anything changes." Tools that really stand out handle rescheduling and cancellations automatically. When someone cancels, a smart tool should immediately offer that slot to the waitlist. A pet groomer can set it up so Saturday slots fill while they're busy with clients. Look for tools letting you set your own rules around approval and timing. For small service businesses with 1 to 15 employees, 3 names stand out. Acuity Scheduling is polished for solo operators and small teams, handling intake forms, payments, and packages cleanly. The honest limitation: AI features are thin compared to newer tools. It's strong automation, not true AI. Vigero works well for beauty, fitness, or pet care with strong waitlist and cancellation features, though it has a steeper learning curve. Calendly, known for corporate scheduling, now works well for consultations and recurring appointments, though it's not right if you need high customization. Here's the bottom line. These tools save real time, hours by Friday spent on phone tags and texts. But no tool fixes a process that hasn't been thought through. If service durations aren't accurate, availability isn't right, or your cancellation policy is vague, the tool just automates confusion. Start by getting basics right. Turn on reminders immediately, then evaluate if AI features actually help your situation. The goal is simple: fewer hours managing the calendar, more hours doing work you get paid for.